Good morning, Pawleys Island peeps. Today is Sunday, May 30th, 2021. Today is Animal Rescue Sunday. Everybody meet Pinky. Good morning, Pinky. She's so sweet. She's 3 months old and she's beautiful. All right, we'll follow you. She's learning. She's just learning how to use the leash and to walk on a leash. So she's a work in progress with this leash. She's not 100% comfortable with it yet. So we're out here teaching her. She's only 3 months old. And we're heading towards the ocean. She's going the other way. All right, Shellbell, let's go the other direction. Her name is Pinky.
I'll take you to walk away.
We'll follow you. Good morning, everybody. Who let the dogs out? Lisa is letting her voice rest so she can feel better for for Tuesday. She's off Monday for Memorial Day. Rained a little bit last night. And most of it is offshore right now. 63 degrees. Hey, pretty dog. This may be her first time to see the ocean. She's only about 12 weeks old. She's in awe. She doesn't know what to think of this ocean. She's heading the other way. Good morning, Richard. Pinky, come here. Bring her this way, Chell. Come on, sweet girl. You ready? Let's go. She's ready. Let's go. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. So Pinky is available for adoption at All for Paws Animal Rescue. Chelsea and I started doing this once a week so that you can see all the amazing animals that All for Paws Animal Rescue has, and so that you can like and share this so that they can find homes in an amazing way. So I feel like Chelsea's very patient with them. Come here, pretty girl.
That was a no.
Come here, pretty girl. So tell people about all the puppies. Pinky is just one of the puppies from the litter. There were some other. She has a little brother and a little sister.
Well, she has siblings.
Siblings, yes.
One's name is Inky. The other is Blinky. That's all I know.
Inky and Blinky, and then there's Pinky. And they're all about 12 weeks old. And the sun is about ready to rise. And she's a lab mix. Her paws are not that big, so she's not going to be giant. But her fur is so soft.
Snip, snip,
So we have clouds offshore. Right now it's 63 degrees.
Everything's so snippy.
All right, let's look this way for a minute. So the wind has changed directions. It's now coming from the north, and it's a little chilly today, 63. The ocean is 76, so it's really warming up nicely. We have 1 to 2 foot waves. They're about 5 seconds apart. Low tide was at 5:45, and high tide's going to be right around noon. Then you'll have another low tide later, close to 6 this afternoon. Sunrise is right now, 6:06, and sunset is at 8:21. You feel like sharing the good news, Chell? That'd be awesome. Hey, pretty dog. Hey, pretty dog. Come here.
Okay, so the good news today is the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Psalm 34:18.
Psalm 34:18. Say it one more time.
The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Psalm 34:18.
So we've seen it over and over again with the sweet animals from All for Paws Animal Rescue. The key word is rescue. And that's exactly what the Lord does with those that are brokenhearted. And we all go through broken hearts.
Sniffing sand. She did nothing. You can't go too far.
So this little puppy's had a short life so far. But what an amazing thing that All for Paws Animal Rescue is doing. Trying to find a forever home. For Pinky, Inky, and Blinky. That's so funny. Pretty dog.
You can't make a run for it. You still gotta give me back. That was a nice foot rub. Okay, thank you. It was not very good.
You got her?
Maybe.
She wants to go back to the truck. All right. I can't wait for Shyla to meet Pinky. Hey, pretty dog. Keep her off the dunes, baby girl. Come on this way. Today's high is going to be about 86. We'll go check out some waves. Good morning, William. Tide is slowly starting to come in. Low tide was about 30 minutes ago. Look how much sand we have. She is precious. She's the youngest dog that we've had out here. So if you know someone that's been looking for a puppy for a forever home, Pinky might just be the right fit. Here comes the scoot ladies and gentlemen. This is ladies. They're out looking to see if any turtles came up and laid eggs during the night. Good morning, Roy. Happy Memorial Day weekend to you too. So we're going to put a link in this live so that you can see exactly how you could adopt one of the animals for all for Paws Animal Rescue. Good morning, Sandra. So Pinky's getting used to the sand and being on a leash. She really was not trained on a leash yet. So Allison and the volunteers have been working with her. So I'm sure we're untraining her. We're teaching her all the bad habits out here. But she's doing great. She's loving it. So Chelsea, it's about time to sign out. Okay, everybody. Let's get a good look. We don't really have a sun today yet. We probably will later. But right now, we have lots of clouds offshore. So we're going to turn this around and lay down here. and say goodbye. Pinky, look over here, kiddo.
Oh,
Look over here, kiddo.
my t-shirt. Yeah, let's turn.
There she is.
She's
Everybody,
not very excited about these random people.
God bless you and keep you. Pinky, you're a good girl. God help you make His choices today and every day, right, Chelsea?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, Pinky. We hope you find a home soon. And your brother and your sister.
Very interested in those people.
What did you say?
She's very interested in those people.
She is interested in those people, those scoot ladies. She's watching them.
She's also shivering.
It is a little chilly this morning, I'll give you that, but it's going to go up to 86, so never fear. All right, we're signing out. We love you guys. Have a great day. Don't forget about Inky and Blinky,
Pinky.
her siblings. There she is. All right, signing out, y'all.